Okay guys, that was my phone. So, we got the pipes. These are just 18 quid. 18 quid 57. They're just your bog standard pipes. They're brand new. They're for the heater matrix. These ones we're going to be installing. We could have got the ones for all the pipes in blue, red, green, yellow, which were 93 quid, but my boys are cheapskate and won't buy them. So, we're going to tell you what tools you need. Pretty basic. You need a 10mm spanner, which is going to get the water bottle off. This is why I use pointy nose pliers for getting in the bottom clip underneath, which you'll see after. And I just use an old big pair of pliers. So, let's go and refit these bad boys to the car.
Oh, you trapped me in.
It's because you got those stupid mirrors. Right, let's get to it.
Let's do it. Go.
This is what the 10mm spanner's for. Water bottle. You can use a socket. I used the pliers last time. Yeah guys, we're going to do all this in real time because we know that other people do YouTube videos.
They skip everything.
They skip everything and they say, here's what happened earlier. And you want it in real time so you know how long it's going to take to do. Real slow time.
Real slow time.
Sorry,
there's no cuts around here. There's no cuts.
No cuts around here, guys. Right, push this bit in here.
No cuts.
No cuts. Push this bit in here, which is a bad boy.
Okay, perfect.
Remove the wire. Stick this up on the bay. Right. Now, I'm going for the pointy nose pliers again. You need to get over my shoulder.
Come over in here now. Get it right in there.
Gotta pause it.
Okay, we have to pause because there's a car being very loud and annoying.
Okay, these are the copper pipes I was on about, guys. They do tend to squash flat if you tighten the clips. If you have we've got the squeeze clips, but if you have the Jubilee clips and tighten them too tight, this will go flat and it'll leak into your car. So I've just made sure they were round, basically, back to their round shape. So right, we're going to go for this clip. If you remember in the last video, we put the second pipe on to do a temporary fix. We're now taking the temporary fix back off. There might be a bit of water coming out. Now don't worry about the water, we can top that up. Right, this pipe, guys, if you remember, was off here. But we are going to put 2 new pipes on. Right, so this is this pipe. So we're going to fit that one back on in a minute. And this is the back pipe. So, if you want to pause that, I'm going to get the clips.
Okay.
So, this is the old pipe with the hole in it, which is why we had all the problems. Check that one. So, I'll put these clips back on here. Making sure they don't twang in your eyeballs. Right, let's try and get these bad boys back on. You want to feel with your finger at the back to make sure you've got them on. If you feel with your thumb here, these knuckles on these pipes and knuckles here, they're the same in here. So you'll be able to feel with your thumb the knuckle. And what you've got to do is you've got to get the clip past the knuckle, so you know it's sealed. So and squeeze the clip together pipe with the pliers. And try and push it past the knuckle. And we'll leave it with the clip pointing upwards this time, not like the guy who did it last time, left it downwards. Right, it's just got to go a little bit more. And there you go. That is over the knuckle.
Perfect.
A little bit of water in there will help. Like I say, these pipes are very soft, so get it on about 2 mil from the firewall.
Very loud train, sorry.
Yeah, that's our train set in the back going. Okay, push these clips on. These are much better than Jubilee clips because they're easier to use, he says. So we just get it. There's the knuckle, there's the knuckle, that's past the knuckle. Right, that's on.
Perfect.
So that is the pipe that was giving us all the grief. Now I'm going to try and take off this pipe, which is the same Jubilee spring clip at the bottom, which I'm going to
Sneak around here, have a little look.
take off there, halfway up. Give it a little twist, because this one obviously hasn't come off.
Don't know why there's a Volkswagen Fox just revving in the background, unbelievably.
Oh, this isn't coming off. Okay, do you want to pause that a sec?
Okay, so you were struggling to get it off.
We got a problem with this pipe, so what we're going to do is we're just going to help it off with a Stanley blade. Because we're not keeping this pipe, we're just going to gently cut into it. A couple of cuts, and that should hopefully.
It's been about 30 years.
Okay, you want. So we're going to cut it a bit more. All these 2-minute jobs always turn into a 3-hour job, as you know.
Bit more water coming out.
And there you have it.
There we go.
It's stuck like a beast. So that pipe can be put in a bin as well. And we're going to put the Jubilee clips.
Yeah.
I keep calling them Jubilee clips, guys. They're not Jubilee clips. They are spring clips. And then put that one back up there. Just clean off any rubbish in there. There's a little collar. See the collar there? Okay, so this one you want to push down to the collar. You can actually see there's a collar. Push it down to the collar.
Perfect.
And like I said before, squeeze the clip, get it over the, make sure it's over the lump, which it is. I'll put the last clip on. This is literally about a 10-minute job if everything goes right.
If
It doesn't bang in your eyeballs. Put a bit of water on here. Push the pipe back on. Again, clip back on. Making sure that it's gone past the lump. And there you do. And then we keep it all in real time. So washer jet bottle white reconnected. Bit of a struggle to get it out. I forgot you got to press that little clip in there. Washer jet bottle's got a little knob on the bottom, look. Which, don't try and ram it in. Make sure it goes in the hole. Get it into the hole, and then these two holes should line up perfectly.
Lovely.
The only reason I took that off is because it was easier to get the pipes off. And why struggle? Make life easier, not harder. Obviously, if you use a 10mm socket, if you've got it out already, I'll make the job quicker. There you go, guys. All we got to do now is top up the water. If you live in a cold country, antifreeze. Make sure your antifreeze levels are up. But we're coming to our summer now in Britain, so. Across the work, I got every confidence.
Right, ignore my boring skills.
Yeah, you point it backwards, like I said. That's the way forward is to pour it backwards.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Are you washing the car or are you filling the bottle?
Giving the engine bay a little wash, you know how it is. Oh, this is empty, so.
Yeah, we just blew most of the water out of the pipes. Okay, the bad boys seem okay at the moment.
Oh, that's a loud train.
That's a broken train. Okay, get that cap on and then fill the old.
Right, brakes are also leaking. Oh, record the train, Dad. Show the little train. It's really annoying. We think loud cars is annoying. Try loud train.
Yeah.
Right. So, the brakes are also. Let me
So basically, guys,
on my days.
that's it. Line it up.
No, it's see, my thing's a bit. See, it's caught now. Oh my word! Oh my word! There we go. My one's a bit.
Yeah, guys, make
awkward to
sure
get
you
on.
get these on right when you're doing them. Should be quarter of a turn like that. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, but mine. I think the thread is broken because you see it goes on, but it's still loose. Mine's a bit of a pain in the ass, but then they are really old, so. And then twist. There we go.
That's it. Right.
Suck. Right, brake fluid is also the brakes are leaking.
No, the expansion bottle.
Yeah, I know, but I also want to do the brakes. Okay, so this is going to be very empty. Right, time to wash the car again.
Let's get up to the full level, guys. The full level is this one here.
Let me know when there's too much in there, bro.
We'll see. It's important not to cook your engine. See the dark line coming up here?
How are we looking?
Yep, that's about it.
Perfect. Right, pop
Right,
this
so that's
bad
done.
boy back on. I can even see it there. Okay. Ugh, there we go.
Just checking the reservoir, which is low because there's a leak in our pipes,
Yeah.
which we're going to fix in another video.
Very soon. That's all done. Make sure this is actually
Set it
tight.
to maximum.
Yep.
Get it on square, don't cross thread it. There you go.
Perfect. Right.
6'4", and you can still fit an MX5. We'll just run it up now and check that the water doesn't leak. So we'll give it 5 minutes and check it out. Yeah, it's too dark to work on the cars now.
We forgot to say anything. We left it for 5 minutes and it worked.
It's working now. It's running a petrol now, still running.
Okay, perfect. Right, next video is cutting the bumper of the Silver MX5.
Yeah.
Perfect.